So I'm back in the studio and I am packing an order to start off today, and then I'm working on some new pieces. So let me show you. This is what has been ordered. This is a collar from last year. I'm sure you've seen it. I've screen printed it. So I'm going to get that packed up today. And then I've been working on some new pieces as well. So kind of more spring, summer bits. I've been working on, I made this skirt. This is like some upcycled lace. And this is like a style I used to do when I first started, like 5 years ago. Yeah, and I'm going to add lace and stuff to it, so we'll get onto that later. But for now, we're going to pack this order to start today. I love when my past self has been organised enough to make some bags, so I have a bag to pack the order in. So yeah, we're going to get the order packed up now. I think I'll just iron that out so it's nice and neat. So welcome back to another studio vlog. This is going to be quite a busy one, lots of different stuff. Yeah, if this is your first time watching one of my videos, I make content all about running a small sustainable fashion business and kind of the day-to-day of everything that I got up to. If you think this is something that would interest you, it'd be great if you could subscribe, give this video a like, and yeah, keep watching. Okay, let's get back in. Okay, so here is the collar ready to pack, and you can see all the screen printed and kind of diamante details that I've added to it, and it's all handmade upcycled fabrics. Yeah, so let's get that packed. Okay, I'm just going to run out and post this order, and then I'm back in the studio. So let's just run around to the post office now. Okay, so now we're back and I'm going to start making this top. So I've just put together this lace. How beautiful is this? So these two colors are so nice together, and I'm going to add this to the t-shirt. Okay, it is Tuesday today and I'm in the studio. I'm still working on those tops that I think I showed you before, with all the lace details. So I'm going to make loads of these. I'll show you them when they're finished. But I'm just going to quickly stop to pack an order that I've had. So I had this skirt ordered, which was from my Barbie inspired collection last year. It's like this kind of quilted pink satin fabric. It's like a sample piece, so I used this for the shoot. And then I had this keyring ordered too. A cute detail. So I'm going to get both of them packed up. They're the same order. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do right now. Okay, there is the skirt ready to go. And that's the bag charm. Okay, tag on and thank you note. Okay, there is that order packed and ready to go. Hey, so it is Monday and I've had a exciting delivery of a new rail. Huge box. I basically found online a big double rail. Yeah, let me show you my situation at the moment. I did have two rails up here. This one keeps falling out of the wall. And then I have two rails here. So this whole corner is really, really messy in the studio. I don't like it. It's not a great use of space. I have my two lovely shelves that I got, and I should have, when I got them, got a third to put in here, but I didn't. So this space has just kind of always been messy. So what I've done is I've ordered a double rail. I've measured this space and it fits in here. So I'm going to assemble that now, and hopefully this will look really neat after. So just unpacking now. I think it's going to be pretty simple because it's all like snap into place. So yeah, I'm just going to assemble it. So it's a lot later, a few weeks later, and I'm just giving you an update on this because I kind of gave up because I realized the top half was just not tall enough. Everything was just messy and I was kind of left feeling a bit deflated. But I've just gotten a delivery of extra rail extenders. So hopefully today I will be able to add an extra 60 centimeters to, I'll be able to add an extra 60 centimeters to the top, bringing it like up to here-ish, and then that should be enough space for the skirts and everything to be up tall. So we'll see how that goes, and I'll give you an update in a bit. If I open this neatly, I can reuse the box. Very exciting delivery of rail extenders. Okay, so they fit into each other, which is a good sign. I think it's gonna work. So first thing I'm going to do is just move everything from the rail over here so I can do the extenders. So as you can see, it was really quite low. So hopefully we're going to bring that up a good bit. Okay, see if this actually works. Okay, at least that comes off easy. We will keep going. Oh, I'm gonna need a chair. precarious, but we're gonna go with it. Woo! So much better. Look at this, so much better already. Looks so good. And we are done. I am so happy. Look at this. The studio looks so organized now. Oh, it's just like, it's so refreshing. Oh, I'm gonna shoot this way as well to show you what it looks like. Really lovely. Oh, so thrilled. It just feels really neat and kind of like a nice space to work in. Nothing else kind of cluttered on the floor around here. Yeah, so really happy. So those clips you saw there were actually from a few weeks like in the future, but now we're going to go back to a few weeks before when I was still making these lace tops. So just in case you can see the rail looks a little different, that's why. But yeah, we're going to continue on with getting all of these lace tops finished. So for these tops I used completely upcycled fabrics. So I had all of these t-shirts that I was working with, and I had to unpick all the stitches and kind of remove all the loose threads. So that's what I'm doing. I'm kind of unpicking with the scissors, and then I use my lint roller to go over and get most of the loose threads off. So good morning. Don't know how much I've filmed, but so I've been working on a collection of tops that I am launching at the end of the week. I think I filmed a good bit, so you've probably seen already like the process of me making them. I'm on my 3rd week of making them, but I thought I'd show you. I've got one finished today, and then I'm finished, and then I'll just do all the product photography. But this is what they look like. So they're all screen printed, so you probably would have watched one of my videos where I was printing them. And they're upcycled t-shirts, so they're not brand new, but they're like, I added my print to them, and then I added all this lace detail. If you've been following me for a while, you'll know that my collection in like, I think it was 2019, had these similar styles. So yeah, I just thought I'd bring it back and do a collection of them. So I'm going to get them all photographed, and then we will have them online by the end of the week. That's my plan anyway. So I have one more that I'm working on here. I've cut out all the fabric. These are the laces I'm going to go with for this one. And yeah, so I'm going to get that done today, and we'll see where we are. So when I'm making these tops, I start off by making one big strip of lace with all my different pieces of lace. So I kind of choose the colours that I want for the top, and then I add them all one by one. I also add a top stitch, so I run as well as running a stitch along the seam, I run a stitch on the top, and I just really like putting this touch in. I think it kind of neatens everything up and adds extra kind of like structure, I suppose. And yeah, so that's kind of what I'm doing here. I'm just adding all the pieces together and then adding top stitches as well. I've said it loads of times before, but the construction is like my favorite part of what I do. I just find it, you know,
quite therapeutic, I suppose. I can just sit there and sew and listen to podcasts or listen to music and kind of escape into my own little world. So I try and remain in the sewing part as much as I can. And it was a lovely sunny day today. My studio is really cold in the winter and then really warm in the summer, and the sun comes through at a certain time in the day and it does get quite hot, which is lovely. So here I am just adding the last bit of lace to the bottom tier of the t-shirt. This is kind of the longer part that acts kind of like a tulle skirt. And that is what it looks like finished. But that is going to go ahead and finish today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I kind of showed a mixture of things, like getting that rail together was such an achievement. I'm so happy. It clears up so much space in my studio, and I have such a kind of a small space to work with anyway, so it really makes a difference. And even just to be able to see my mirror, you know. I hope you enjoyed seeing kind of all the different things that I could get up to during like a week. No week is kind of the same. And if you enjoyed, it'd be great if you could subscribe, give the video a like and leave me a comment. All of that stuff really helps. I'm also editing the next video to come out showing you each top and styling them. So hopefully that video will be out in the next few days too, so you can see all the finished pieces. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.